Good morning, all students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 2C of chapter 2 fractions. Two questions are written here. Simplify 4 by 7 divided by 9 by 14. So divide change into multiply. 4 by 7 multiply. When divide change into multiply, then write the reciprocal of 9 by 14. So 9 by 14 change into 14 by 9. Divides 14 by 7, 7 to the 14. Equal to 4 to the 8 by 9 on the 9. Answer. Question number 8 is here. 5 whole 4 by 7 divided by what whole 3 by 10. Break the integers. 5 7 is 35 plus 4 39 by 7 divided by 1 10 is 10 plus 3 13 by 10. Next step. 39 by 7 divide 10 into multiply. Then 13 by 10 change into 10 by 13. 13 3 ja 39 equal to 3 10 ja 30 by 7 equal to 7 4 ja 28 4 whole 2 by 7. Answer of this question. Students understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 5 written on this board. 5 18 boxes of nails weighed equally and their total weight is 49 or 1 by 2 kg. How much does each box weigh? Total weight. Total weight equal to 49 or 1 by 2 kg equal to 49 to the 98 plus 1 99 by 2 kg. Total boxes 18. The weight of the each box. Therefore, the weight of each box equal to 99 by 2 kg divided by 18 equal to 99 by 2 kg divided into multiply. So 18 change into 1 by 18. 1 by 18. 9 times 9 to the 18 and 11 9 ja equal to 11 1 the 11 by 2 to the 4 kg 4 to the 8 2 or 3 3 by 4 kg. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 9, written on this board. In this question, Preeti bought 8 whole 1 by 2 kg. 8 whole 1 by 2 kg of rice, sugar. 4 rupees 242 whole 1 by 4. Find the price of sugar per kg. So total cost equal to rupees 242 whole 1 by 4 equal to, multiply है 242 by 4, 242 into 4, 2 for the 8, 4 for the 16 of 6 carry 1, 2 for the 8 plus 1 9. So 900 rupees, 969 by 4. Total sugar eight whole 1 by 2 kg equal to 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17 by 2 kg. Find the price of per kg. Therefore, the price of per kg equal to rupees 969 by 4 divided by 70 by 2 equal to 969 by 4. Divide it into multiply. So 2 by 70. 2 to the 4. 969 divided by 70. 969. 17 5 ja 85. 6 minus 5 1. 9 minus 8 1 and 9. 17 7 ja 199. 57 equal to 57 by 2. That means rupees 28 whole 1 by 2 answer. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 15 of exercise 2C. In this question, the product of two numbers is 15 or 5 by 6. If one of the number is 6 or 1 by 3, 6 or 1 by 3, find the other. So let the other number be x. Let the other number be x. According to question, one number is 6 whole 1 by 3. Multiply x equal to 15 whole 5 by 6. That implies 6 3 is 18 plus 1 19. 19 by 3 into x equal to 15 6 is 90 plus 5. 95 by 6. That implies x equal to 95 by 6. 19 by 3 here multiply. By transposition multiply change into divide. So 19 by 3 equal to 95 by 6. Divide change into multiply. So 19 by 3 change into 3 by 19. 19 5 ja and 3 2 ja equal to 5 by 2 equal to 2 2 ja 4. 2 whole 1 by 2 answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 17 of exercise 2C. In this question, by what number should 6 whole 2 by 9 be divided to obtain 4 whole 2 by 3? So the let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. So according to question, by what number should 6 whole 2 by 9? So 6 whole 2 by 9 divided by x equal to quotient is 4 whole 2 by 3. That implies 6 whole 2 by 9. 6 9 54 plus 2 56. 56 by 9 divided by x equal to 4 3 12 plus 2 14 by 3. 56 by 9 divide by transposition change into multiply. So 14 by 3 into x. Now next step is that imply x equal to 56 by 9 divided by 14 by 3 by transposition change into divide. So 14 by 3. 56 by 9 divide change into multiply. So 3 by 14. 3 3 ja 9 and 14 4 ja 56 equal to 4 by 3 equal to 1 whole 1 by 3 answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 2C. Thank you. That's all.